right, now welcome back. Now we're still talking about social media and you announcing your baby or putting your baby picture on top of social media. Even marriage too. I know of some people where they say even though they don't marry, they're not going to put one picture. Yeah. They put a picture of our own face, but of herself and her couple and her husband.
I even get a friend where she not even she naturally you see this girl now Facebook guru. She did everywhere, but where she married, we only hear say Facebook will tell you say married.
Yeah.
Now everything we see married. People castigate this girl. My God.
Say who be the guy? Where we see?
Why she can't manage snap picture with the guy? Yeah. She no tell us whether the man. We don't even know anything. I'm telling you, we don't know anything. I want to be like say it done too much for her head. Now she can't put one epic. Jesus, see the story where she writes. I sit down and take my time and read her. She say, all of you they disturb me. This, blah, blah, blah. Say, me will just leave her alone in her private life.
Yes.
And her husband no like make it day.
Public like that.
So she make her husband understand the kind of life where she they live. So make everybody just leave her, make she do her thing. Her husband like her the way she be. I say thumbs up, girl. You understand?
Now people will feel regulate social media from private life, but some people don't get filter.
They no
if they cough, I'm coughing. I'm sneezing. They put on. I'm jumping. They will put on. Sometimes I watch those crime investigation network for TV, cable network, and this guy just what did he do? He actually won't go releasing wife in girlfriend for prison. He can't steal car. You won't talk about this story, I think, on Monday or something for radio. Yes, he can't steal car. He can't snap himself, can't post them for Instagram. So when they look for her, nobody know. Somebody just say, okay, make them go Instagram. In them, so they know where they go. From there, they just go. They don't wait for her. It doesn't come. The prison, they don't open door for her enter. Make sure they go.
That one is so
take them easy with social
and with
media,
the tagging of location and everything.
Take them easy.
It just tells where you are. Tell everything about where you did, the timing, where you post them and all
I
that.
know. And you can fake location
yes.
too.
Oh, you can fake location?
Yes.
Plenty of people, they fake location.
I'm in Miami.
Now, moving on from that particular celebrity gist, we consigned Tiwa Savage and her husband T-Wiz. Now, we're going to Inyanya matter. We get her for this show like last week.
He never tell.
Yeah, and even invite us over.
Invite us. We go. Don't worry. We go see the.
For inside one recent interview, the pop singer Inyanya actually come out and talk about his girlfriend, Feda Francis. Now, according to Miami, talk saying, he said they don't want to know if I did in a relationship. They want to know when I drop my next video. They want to know how I go promote my next album. Because when you are talking about relationships, you are even putting me under pressure. Now, within Inyanya, come as I talk about in fans, where they ask him about if he date Feda Francis, because they ask him, say, well, what do you think about your fans? Wanting to know if you are really dating Feda Francis. But when come as I talk, say, my fans are not interested in my relationship. They are concerned about my album, about my music, because when they talk about relationship with me, they actually put me under pressure.
Wow.
Now, the thing is, not be only I am one of the artists where they'll come outside, even though say a lot of news, they say this person is dating this or dating that. None of them will ever come outside say they are in a relationship. Now, why you feel say celebrities, they prefer to show the world say that they're single when behind they actually get girlfriends. We don't get them on the show.
Yes, at first for me, they try to keep the fan base. They try to keep the fan base. You see, somebody like Inyanya mostly women like him a lot. So when Inyanya can't say they date Feda Francis, you know how many beef you go get like, I just imagine like 10 unfollowers. People will go unfollow him. By the time in followership done they decrease, people too go they say, Bola don't unfriend and make I feel unfollow. Titi self no dey. Make I come on, you know, they lose that in fan base. We don't see so many. Once they marry, they make them public. Their fan base don't drop. Yes, even though they sing good songs, I don't go on name names. They sing good songs, but because they don't marry, the thing go drop. Then again, for Inyanya, he learned from his first mistake. Yvonne Nelson, yes, he learned from because that relationship take. We would say they do macho, but I tell you, yes, he gets softer side. We don't hang out with him. He gets softer side inside him. So me, I feel say take from him. First mistake, they try to keep him up. But if they did Feda Francis, I'll be waiting with the girl. Frida, congratulations. Yeah, enjoy it while it lasts. If you need to alter, we shall go there and
celebrate with you.
Yeah. Applaud this with you.
Yeah. My baby,
yes.
I love you. no more that song, I beg.
Yeah,
But anyway, I go look out for 2 ways. If celebrities don't marry, some of them don't want me their family come limelight.
Yes.
Just like this, what's her name now? To us, we just talk about now. She then get their own decision, say they don't want me their picking show. They finance, then go keep their family out of media. I don't want me, you know my family. Be like, I don't know whether I'm not sure if now this particular boy get one celebrity way they try to hide in wife.
Okay.
Don't be in real wife.
They post.
They post. But he wife they somewhere with the kids and all. But those of us who are outside, they feel say, now the wife be this and that was there with the flaunt and everything. But meanwhile, the real wife be inside. So that kind of thing. Some celebrities don't want that. And at the same time, also the fan base, about the fan base, that one today. They don't want to make.
You want to make them feel say they're available.
We talk about one. I can't remember this particular celebrity we talk about. Where that one talk say people they vex with him. Say he marry. Say why you marry? Say why you marry? How you go marry? Say after he marry like this, half of the people where they follow him drop.
Yeah.
So some of those things, you know, they really some people go they demoralizing to them.
Yeah.
Say after I don't suffer, build this kind of fan base because I can't marry now. I can't do. So it better make I just hide this particular part. Those ones I know if you take them.
I go really want me Yaya hide your own self. I go support her make you. Even if you marry, get picking, just low key. You know, just keep on low key because in fan base, not making Yaya. So if they drop,
you know what? Like I mean, they talked to one celebrity recently. We just dropped song. He talked say even though say he married now, say he not gonna allow anybody know. Now ask and say why? He said because now my female fans they make me who I be now.
Okay. That wife not gonna be wife again when there's no
when I go perform, sometimes the female fans they bring money to me, gifts to me. So imagine now when they don't say I don't marry. Trust me, they go drop all those things to themselves and
because anybody when you're they go say you don't know say don't marry. You be like in wife.
So listen, just listen to me. Listen. Those people are not your real fans.
Preach it.
They are not your real fans. Only your real fans will stand by you day and night, no matter what happens.
According to chapter
something of chapter something.
Of talk.
Of talk. Yeah. Thank you.
It, sister.
Thank you. I preach it. I shall preach it. And do not let them. I say one more time.
Put you under
do
pressure.
Not let them put you under pressure in any way at all.
Preach it, sister.
I preach it. I shall preach it. But make sure
say that verse.
Which particular one may I quote?
Chapter 8, verses 1 of talk.
Of talk. Say, if your fan base drop, take heart.
Wow.
Simple.
Be like Ghana, but we're not
if your fan base talk, I go say chapter 8, verse Kinikon, section B. If your fan base drop, turn your wife to girlfriend.
Jesus.
Simple. Yeah. Because we know some celebrities don't marry, but they use money to pay to block that wedding. You are not going to know whether I don't marry or not. Said their wife go abroad. Children go there.
Just believing there. Me, I get our
subsection.
It is well. All right, moving on from that particular story, very interesting. But if you want to put your mouth inside and the thing that actually interests you, put your mouth enter Twitter at Talk Wazobia, Facebook Talk-Wazobia TV. Now the next celebrity gist, now international, Kim Kardashian. Don't come aside talk say.
Kim Aventa was
then gets dating rules with her husband. Say she actually get dating rules with her husband. Now, pregnant reality star Kim Kardashian, she don't reveal say her rapper or her husband, maybe Kanye West, set some strict rules when they be start to the date. Now, according by her, she talks say in ban mobile phones from dates. Now, when they do question and answer with her, she can't list some of them out. He said when we first started dating, it was rude if you bring your phone with as now they go out if you carry on with you. So I learned from him not to bring my phone when we go out. He said during our wedding, we ask everybody where go come the wedding, say, no come. He said for privacy reason, but just for everyone to live and enjoy the moment, leave your phones for house. And everyone called them afterwards and talked saying that the best thing we don't ever do. Because everybody will attend the Kim Kardashian wedding, they not come with their phone. So all they need to do now to enter the place and actually
enjoy the place.
Enter the wedding
and a reception or something.
The reception and enjoy the wedding. Yeah. So now I want to ask you now this question. You feel say rules for inside relationship, they actually help to strengthen the relationship or they help to weaken the relationship?
Sometimes.
Okay.
Sometimes they help, sometimes they help. I know say when I go know what particular person with this company we talk about rules. Date, you know. See they just the date. Say she get 150, she get one list. Say she list them. Pam, 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 pam.
No this must not be there. This
Exactly.
this.
Don't do this. You cannot do this. Don't do this. I cannot find this. I must not find this here. I must not find this here. I must not find this. I must not find this here.
Go fade away. Because your West not allow carry phone.
No. When you say it too much, the meeting make me talk say it depend.
Okay,
we don't even know
anyway.
how long their own be, but she said they get dating rules. They fit get like 100, but we don't know. But and out of that 100, they fit not even do up to 100. They fit just they let some fly. But this particular person, when she talks, she get 15. She self-realize, say, if you no work for her, you no work for her. Because if you find person where, out of all those 15,
one no work
for the person, and you like the person.
Yeah.
So because of this rule where you put now, you go come
lose the person
just like that. Of which sometimes some people go tell you, say, I won't know the kind of person where you be. I need to understand you. So you need to break some things, make that person understand you. Make that person understand the kind of person where you be. But if you put all those kind of laid down rules, if you they chase potential husbands come on from your side. Even men, if you put some laid down rules, you get one guy who tell me say, if the girl no sabi cook, he no go marry him. I say, okay, no wahala. So it means and you sabi cook. I say, so you want them to say, if you sabi cook, you know if you teach this girl how to cook. And she get everything. She get everything that just that cooking be her problem. Of which Nigerian men could tell you say, woman knows going to go marry him. Sorry.
Just to say something, please. As regards to that, I'm not going to even side the women. I understand, say, if they get some women where say their man not teach them how to cook. But when you don't day of age, go for kitchen school. I don't see a girl where she date a man. Let me just say something. I don't see a girl where she date a man. And the man actually support her and say, okay, come. Anytime I day kitchen, come with me. Or I go
not be learning be that.
Wait, no, I tell you what she do. Or I go pay for cooking school for you, make you go. They actually pay for cooking school, but this girl not go.
Oh, okay. That one did different.
Oh, but she not go.
No, your own. The way they
that
talk,
one go boy, water I go born. Yeah, water go born.
On this one that I thought they extreme, that one they different. Where you they come from, where you talk, say that man support him, that man help, and everything at the top. This one say you don't even want at all.
Women, don't wait for the man to support you before you go learn how to cook.
Get your weapons.
Please.
Equip yourself.
Thank you, sister. Say
Equip yourself.
Wait
in the book of Talk chapter 1 verses 3 says, as a lady that you... Yeah.
Yes.
1 verse, sorry. I do miss. I know been read the verse complete. He say, as a woman, ladies that we are here talking, equip yourself so that tomorrow, when the man move, you move. When you shake, you shake.
Thank you.
Nothing shall move you.
When you say make you cook ofogbo,
you try to make it ofo
you go cook
ofe aba, ofe bini, ofe calabar.
I'm telling you,
go cook off.
That one don't mean say the man no marry her.
All men
some
have their own criteria.
Get what's be their own criteria,
yeah. So all those lists they work for some people.
Yeah.
But my own, like Kim Kardashian talk, really, phone
like
don't
that.
cause trouble for my house one day. My husband, they actually talk to me and the thing they very serious. Just run from inside because really. Okay, no worry, I go do and later. Just collect the phone, feeling down. And they talked. Oh, sorry. You say, and meanwhile, that talk where they talk to me, it to say a quick response to them. Waiting how they cook for no burn for fire, and waiting how they Instagram.
Ew, you need flogging.
The food where they cook for them because they bath born. So at that moment, too, they won't blame.
You, of course. I think you need to
do you understand? So only me now that rules now work. No phone.
That particular
one I never chop
work for me. Although if you don't rate of food, man of food. If you don't, I will just carry food. Ask me what they do.
They look people. Candy Crush.
These people. Sarah, our makeup artist. He frustrates my life with that game. I don't tire. Candy
Crush actually break up a lot of homes and a lot of relationships. So ladies, take it easy with phone games. Please, I beg you.
Is it very addictive?
And also I like what Kim Kardashian talk because phone, like you thought, don't put a lot of relationship, good relationship, don't turn them bad. Yeah. Because imagine say they go out on a date with your husband. And then you're on the phone 24/7. If they talk, you not even listen. Yeah. Or the man they on the phone 24/7. You they talk, you not they listen. If it causes a lot of wahala. Yeah. Or in the night, middle of the night, your phone they ring.
No, that one. I don't correct myself. I think for 200 level now I don't correct myself about phone because again the girl they stay for up bunk, me they down, and the girl her boyfriend like the midnight call, the free call. So when the guy call one day she just turned like shock. because you know the way she sleep. Now so this girl roll for I pick the call, tell the guy say, now you be the witch when they worry this girl. Let her be. The guy called the say, what tell the guy like that? You didn't injure. The guy didn't where he did. No ever pick calls at night. And I tell almost every, please don't call me for night. Okay, I can't learn to off my phone. But sometimes, you know, then my dad, they're very old now. So I don't feel off my phone. At least once in a while, I must still talk. Sometimes at night, I'll call. But I'll call before I off my phone. So I just feel say I better learn how to keep.
No, that night, that for, even for night, really, it ain't really reasonable enough. Although I don't go
off your phone,
I know they do it when I did school because of that, you know, like we say, free call.
Yeah.
And they do it well. But when you mature, you go no say you get certain time where phone suppose just keep them, especially for night. Where see you they call me after 9 o'clock for?
You know, see that story of the girl when we get for you that beneath wait until when the guy call like in the middle of the night around 2 a.m. Say, where you there? She said, I did tree. The guy
mango.
said, I pluck mango. The guy said, no. I just want to know. They said, I did pluck mango.
They try to say, but sometimes if the way person they talk to you, when you they respond, it they annoying. Now I say, no be quarrel, I don't follow you quarrel. You call me around 2 a.m. middle of the night. They ask me what's in they do. Now I tell you, I don't talk to you.
All right. Then tell us what you think about rules for inside relationship. If they help make your relationship them strong, or if they help destroy your relationship, let us know the kind of rules that you get for that relationship where you there into, and we could see whether are strong rules that we feel live with or we not feel live with.
So we go put out our subsection of talk.
Yep.
Yes.
Yep. We have a section, and I love the section.
Yes.
All right, we're going to Bass Movik now. Coming up after the break, we get our old school video to give you, and if Amaka please, Coco of the day. Stay with us.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.